Hello everybody. Today in art block I made a bio of these things called color fellas, and today I'm gonna read them with you all. Red, the most popular among the colors on the coloring paper. Red was the first ever fella to be created. He is a cheeky, energetic, and friendly little guy who is always eager to help and take action. Orange is the first secondary color to be made. He's the coolest fella on the paper due to his eyes being a different color. He and Red are best friends and are basically inseparable. Yellow just might be the most cheerful fella around. She spreads joy wherever she goes and doesn't let anything bring her down. She's one out of 4 members in an alliance called CMYK. Green is nature's #1 fan. She can be often seen in a forest or asleep by a tree. She also really loves flowers and always tends to her garden of them. Blue is a shy little fella and gets scared pretty easily. On the other hand, he's a total sweetheart when you get to know him. He also has a crush on Purple. Shh, don't tell her. Purple is the type of person who acts like they don't care yet secretly do. She's always there to check out on her fellow colors and does everything in her power to help them out. She's also easily embarrassable. Pink is Purple's sister and is the complete opposite. She's the kindest fella on the paper and is pretty much on good terms with everyone. She's always encouraging others and is either seen with Purple or helping Blue. Cyan isn't the smartest of the bunch, but is still there to make his friends giggle. He colored a bucket on his head himself and loves it more than anything. He's another member of the CMYK group and is the funniest at that. Brown is the equivalent of the #1 hiker. He loves exploring the woods and interacting with wildlife. He owns a shotgun just in case something bad happens, which isn't very often actually. He's also daredevilish and would climb to a mountaintop for only a penny. Magenta is a highly trained mechanic who can fix almost anything. She's the third of the CMYK member, and a helpful one at that. When she isn't fixing, however, she is usually gossiping with the other colors about secrets. Hope it doesn't cause any rumors. Tan is the sheriff of the paper. He's really chill but is persistent on protecting his friends. He also owns a firearm, which is a revolver. He and Brown are brothers and are seen hiking in the woods together. Although Tan isn't much into travel, he still enjoys it. A socially awkward and paranoid individual who always worries about things. Lime is always warning us about something that isn't actually going to happen. Luckily, Green is there to calm his nerves if need be. Black may be unable to talk, but that won't stop him from his joy. He's a friendly fellow who mostly helps with shades and outlines. He is the fourth and final person of the CMYK group, K standing for key. The shades he does are dark colors. Gray is one of Black's siblings. They are non-binary, so they don't have a gender, but they think that makes them special. They also do shades, them being referred to as dull colors. White is the third one of Black's siblings. She hopes that she can be as great as the other colors someday. She also does shades, them being light colors, and she's really difficult to see, due to being the color of the paper.